Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with one of our superstars, Tanya. So you may remember Tanya as we documented her surgery day, not even 4 months ago. So it's been about 3 months and about 3 weeks. So in 1 week we'll be at the 4-month mark. And we have a lot of interest in Tanya because we have a lot of people that have traction alopecia, especially women. And there's not a lot of resources out there for them to see what the process is like. And so this is really exciting. So when she came in today, I wasn't expecting anything. I was expecting her to have maybe like 3 or 4 hairs and it's just starting to come out. And when she took her headband off today, I was blown away. So she's at only 3 months, 3 weeks, and already you can tell she has growth, she has a new hairline, and this is only going to improve every month. So I appreciate you guys coming all the way down here for the follow-up. How do you feel? Like, how's everything going for you?
It's going really smooth. Like you said, I was expecting minimum hair growth. You and Josh prepared me on like the first 4 months, first 4 to 6 months. It might not be that much, but my hair it started growing, and it keeps growing. I don't put anything on it but regular oils, and I don't do like a hair enhancer or anything like that. So it's doing good.
How was the recovery process? I mean, obviously you had a lot of scabs initially, and
okay. So the first 2 weeks, it scabs up, but it's not like a scab. It's like almost like you have a bump, I guess you can say, and it's kind of a little rough bump. And then Josh told me like after 2 weeks to kind of like make it come off, you know, because it doesn't just fall off. Some of them will, but some of them stay. So and then that was fine. And then the first month, I guess I wore wigs and different things like that. And then once I start feeling the smoothness back in, I start back wearing, I started wearing headbands and things like that. And now, you know, as you can see, I can wear my hair any kind of way. I can put a headband on it, and it's good to go. People don't even know what's under there. They don't realize it because my hair is so thick.
So, you know, and you've been doing all this stuff before that anyway. So it's not like a stretch to wear a headband or a wig. This stuff you were doing anyway.
Right.
And so it's an easy transition to get back to normal life. And then when she feels more comfortable with the density and the length, she won't have to do that stuff anymore.
I'll say in another 4 months how my hair is growing.
I bet it's going to be less than that, Tanya. Before you, Well, we'll see. Everyone's different. But come in here a little closer, Jerry. I'm going to show, because we have people interested.
Okay.
So this is where her hair was before. And so this is all new. This is all new transplant. So we went all the way down. We recreated her hairline here. So you can see the density. And again, at this stage, we wouldn't expect, this is what she's way ahead of schedule. So you can see how that really is going to change her appearance in a positive way. I'm going to turn you around here, Tanya, just so we can see the back. And it took me, honestly, about 5–10 minutes to find the incision because she got long hair. But it's not just because there's long hair, it's because it's hard to find. And her husband is here and says, and he's a hairdresser. He owns a salon. Well, they both own a salon. But he said that it's never been an issue. It's really even hard to find for him. And but here's just, you can kind of see where the incision is. It's that little line. And unless she decides to shave her head, which, you know, if that ever comes down to that, call me first.
No. I won't be shaving.
What's the point, right? Shaving her head. But that's never been an issue for her. She's going to be able to, you know.
Yeah.
No one's going to know that stuff.
Yeah, and I thought that with the suture line that it'll be thin in the back, but I can wear my hair down and you can't even tell at all. Yeah. No.
Makes no difference. So the suture lines, again, are never an issue for our patients. I couldn't be happier, Tanya. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Can't wait to see.
Yeah, please put him on the...
Okay, yeah. So Tanya, this is Tanya's husband. Remember him from the video as well? And he was nice enough to drive 4 hours from Jacksonville. Both of you all, thank you so much. And really looking forward to her results, and I can't wait to see what she looks like even a month from now. But certainly her final result, I think she's going to be thrilled, and this is really a nice resource. Thanks again, because a lot of women, especially women with traction alopecia, just have no resources to see what the process is like and to see results. And thank you so much for doing that. You're helping a lot of people.
And you guys call me all the time. They give permission and I talk to you, so don't be afraid to call me and ask questions because I'm happy to answer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks again.